Self-motivation and self-confidence are two important factors for achieving success and satisfaction in life. Here are some tips to enhance self-motivation and build self-confidence. 1. Setting goals. Set clear, measurable goals for yourself. Write them down and regularly review them to track your progress and achieve them. 2. Positive thinking. Maintain a positive mindset and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Minimize self-criticism and learn from mistakes instead of dwelling on them. 3. Challenge and growth. Challenge yourself by learning new skills and facing fears. Be willing to try new experiences and learn from them to develop yourself. 4. Self-care. Take good care of yourself, including getting enough sleep, exercising, and eating healthy. Self-care enhances your comfort and self-confidence. 5. Learning from success. Celebrate small successes and consider them as motivation to achieve more. Enjoy the progress you have made and use it as a driving force to move forward. 6. Appropriate appearance. Maintain cleanliness and good appearance, and choose clothes that reflect your self-confidence. When you look good, it increases your self-confidence. 7. Effective communication. Develop communication skills and strive to communicate properly and effectively with others. Follow good communication rules to express your thoughts and feelings clearly.